accidents can potentially drain your finances, and this is why everyone needs to have a personal accident plan. To understand what personal accident insurance is all about, let us look at these 3 questions. What is it? What does it cover? How much coverage do I need? In essence, your PA plan protects you against financial loss due to accidental injury. It covers 3 main outcomes of an accident: death, permanent disablement, medical expenses. As an example, Andy already has a PA plan when he gets into a car accident. 4 possible scenarios can arise from the accident. 1. Andy has a close brush with only minor injuries. 2. He sustains more serious injuries like fractures or lesions of his internal organs. 3. Andy's injuries are so serious that they are considered catastrophic because they leave him with lifelong disabilities. 4. Andy dies. In the event of his death, Andy's PA plan would give him a lump sum of money called the death benefit. This is very helpful when Andy has dependents who require continued financial support after his death. If Andy survives the accident with catastrophic injuries, for example the loss of his limbs, his PA plan will be essential in covering the long-term cost of the accident. For example, he will need a prosthetic leg to restore the function of his missing leg, the degree of which depends on the level of prosthetic technology used. The prosthetic leg also needs to be custom fit to Andy. Therefore, the cost of a prosthetic leg can vary widely, from $1,000+ to more than $50,000 depending on the person's needs. However, even the most expensive prosthetic leg can only last him 3 to 5 years. Therefore, Andy will need to go through many replacements throughout his entire life, incurring cumulative cost of only just 1 leg. In addition, Andy also has to go through many months of physical therapy, even after being fitted with his prosthetic leg. This will increase the long-term cost of the accident even further. Even if there is no permanent disablement, Andy's PA plan will also provide him medical expense reimbursement, even for minor injuries as well. This includes his medical treatment and investigations, as well as those provided by TCM and chiropractic practitioners, even though there is usually a cap for such services. Physiotherapy is also covered by his PA plan, and this is very helpful for Andy if he needs multiple sessions for his recovery. As you can see, accidents can be very costly, especially if you survive a catastrophic accident, and that is why it is so important for everyone to have a personal accident plan.